So when creating a new Google Ads account, there is always one setting you need to directly turn off to avoid unnecessary ad spend and will increase your results. My name is Robin. I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge, which I'm breaking down in videos like this. So what you would like to do is go to Tools and Settings. You go to Setup right here. You click on Preferences. You scroll down to the bottom right here. And you want to make sure that on the title Campaign Optimizations, you click this one. You review your own changes and apply suggestions to your campaigns. So what this means is that you are not automatically apply all suggestions from Google, because Google wants you to get results, but they also want to earn as much as possible. So therefore you make sure that you check your own suggestions and make your own changes in your account before they do it. Simply press save and the job is done. This will avoid unnecessary spend, and this will increase your results, because sometimes it's not good to make many changes in your Google Ads account. My name is Robin. If you enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up and watch any of the other suggestions right here.